All right. Then let me create running notes for today. What is the currently we are running? Still we are running with function spot number 2. We are going to close today. And we will enter into the another topic. The topic name is called as a module. What is the topic name? Module actually. And today date is S6. Yep. Let us start. All right. So let's continue. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, good. So I would like to give a small recap so that you will get an idea. So what exactly it is going to happen. Especially I'm talking about types of arguments. What exactly? Types of arguments. Important interview question also. There are mainly 4 types. There are mainly what exactly? Even I will tell you what is the main use of also. What is the main what exactly use? The first one is called as a positional argument. What is the first one? Positional argument. The next one is called as a keyword argument. What is the next one, sir? Keyword arguments. Third one is a default arguments. And fourth one is a variable chapter length argument. Please don't consider spelling mistake. Variable length arguments. Now the point what we need to understand is, imagine you have created a function name is a m1 which is having parameter, which is having what exactly? Parameter. Then let us just try to display the value. Daniel, the value is, oh sorry, come on Daniel, value is, and here you can just try to print what exactly? Yeah, good. Now m1 of, let me tell you, here we need to provide a value. We need to provide what exactly? Yeah, good. We need to provide the value. We need to provide what exactly? Yeah, provide the value. Provide the value. To provide that value, we can use above topics. We can use what exactly? About the topics. That's what you need to be understand. Many people who know Python, they don't know actually. Why this? It's a very simple. Ultimately, function having what exactly, man? Cheppandi. Parameter. Function having what exactly? For that parameter, you should provide the value. To provide the value, would have a 4 ways. Would have a how many ways actually? 4 ways. The first one, you can use positional argument. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. And the last one is what exactly? No, variable length argument. That's what we have covered yesterday. Are you with me? These are all types of ways to pass the value. Cheptarandaru? Types of ways to pass the value. You know what? This is my definition. When I done R&D, I came across, okay, these are all just ways to pass the value. You know what? These are all, ways to pass the values. Pass what exactly, sir? Values to function parameter. To function what exactly? Parameter. Remember this line actually, you never ever get this line anywhere else actually. So these are all just, I wanted to hear from you. First one, positional argument. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Last one, variable length argument. That's it. Yesterday we have seen. Now today, let us start with the topic. We done right yesterday. All these four we done actually. Let us continue. Online team, I hope you are following. Please be regular. If anyone is, please be regular. Why? Because you came on Monday. Again, you are coming on Saturday. I mean, I'm sorry, things won't work out at all actually. If you really wanted to become very good in subject, please be regular. I request you. There is no force. I request you. Now the topic name is called as a anonymous function, or what exactly, sir? Lambda function. Anonymous function also called as a lambda function. Let us start. Without this question, there is no interview. Imagine tomorrow you are having interview. You are having what exactly? Interview. First open the material and prepare this topic, then go for interview. That much very, very important actually. What is the topic name? During interview, they will ask, explain about the anonymous function, or else they will ask, explain about lambda. Explain about what exactly? I'm sure you will get a unique explanation. Get ready to understand. Let me tell you. So in a Python programming language, would you have a function? Would you have what exactly mean? Function. If you wanted to create a function, there are two ways to create a function. Oh, cool. There are how many ways actually, sir? Creating a function. There are two ways actually. Creating a function. The first one, by using def keyword. First one is what exactly? By using def keyword. Till now we followed the same thing actually. Second one, by using lambda keyword also. By using what exactly? Lambda keyword. One more time, can you tell me? By using lambda keyword. Conclusion of this story, we can create a function in Python. There are two ways, man. I will tell you when should you go for which one actually. There are two ways. The first one is called as a def keyword you can use, sir. If you want, you can use def keyword actually. And if you want, you can use what exactly? Lambda keyword. Now let me tell you when should you go for which keyword actually. If you are creating a function, especially by using def keyword, that is called as a normal function. What function, sir? Normal function. What function? 100% we are using in real time these type of functions. 100% actually. 100%. No doubt in that actually. If you are creating a function, especially by using lambda keyword, what keyword, sir? Lambda keyword. Those functions are called as a lambda functions. What functions actually? Chappalandaru. Lambda function. One more time. Very good. On an average in real time, minimum I can say 5% we are using. Just 5% here and there. Whenever you are working in a project actually, there are one or two functions. That too, I'm going to cover one project actually. In that project also I'm using. So you need to understand what is a lambda actually. I need a response from you. There are two keywords. If you wanted to create a function, first one is def. Second one, lambda. Perfect. Let me tell you. Step by step I can walk through. You will get an idea. Now, if you are creating a function by using def, it is also called as a normal function, also called as a general function. There are many names actually. Then why it is important, sir? We are not using actually. I will, I will tell you, boss. I will tell you. We are not using in the sense, somewhere else it is required actually. We are using maybe one or two times we are not. Imagine there is a project. There is what exactly project. On an average, you guys are creating some 20 functions actually. How many functions? 20 functions. No doubt at all, 18 function we supposed to create by using def. Just two functions. Definitely lambda is required actually. Just two. One or two actually. Then I should not ignore this discussion actually. Can I continue? Let me tell you. First of all, let us have a small discussion. Daniel, can you tell me if I am creating a function, especially by using def keyword, even what is the main usage, Daniel, actually? What is the main usage, The main usage is if you are creating a function by using def keyword, that is called as a reusable component. Chaptara? Reusable component actually. Reusable component. I mean to say, you can call any number of times. We can call any number of times. Reuse. That word indicates to that one. Create once, you can call. First time do you wanted to call. Second time do you wanted to call. Third time do you wanted to call, you can call. Any number of times you can call actually. Now move on to the next discussion. What is the next one, sir? If you have created a function, especially by using lambda keyword, what keyword actually? Chapter Andru? Team. Not reusable component, only one time purpose. What purpose actually? One time purpose. In real time, if you have created a function by using lambda actually, it is not a reusable component. Just to call, the requirement is only one time. Hey, function, come here, fulfill the requirement, you can go. That's it. Next time not required for me actually. Are you with me? Can I get a response? If you want, can I give one small fun example? You can, you never forget in your career. Let me give one small fun example. This is something like, can you tell me reusable? What exactly, sir? Reusable. Let me take this word actually. The next one will be one time purpose. What purpose actually? One time purpose. So generally, once I have done the session, what exactly is a session? I used to go to my home, and once I go to my home, my wife name is Kusma, and I will ask her, Madam, give me coffee actually. Give me what exactly? Coffee. And she will use steel glass. She will prepare the coffee and she will bring what exactly, sir? In a steel glass actually. Next one. I used to go to the company and I will ask a coffee actually. What they will give, any idea? paper cup actually. What exactly, sir? Paper cup. Now you need to understand. Can somebody tell me steel glass is what exactly, sir? Reusable. Paper cup is a? Don't give this reply during interview actually. Are you with me? This is just for your better understanding. I need a response, sir. You got a clear picture, okay? Please, just for fun, nothing, don't take me wrong actually. Let's move on. This, see, in between, if I explain these things, you never forget in your career actually. Now I'm entering into the discussion. The point will be, yeah, we are going to create a function. First one is a df keyword, second one is a lambda keyword. First of all, let me prove practically. Whenever you are using a lambda keyword, backend function is creating. Backend what is creating, sir? Let me prove practically. Then you will get a confidence, yeah. Whenever you are using, wherever you are using lambda actually, backend function is creating. Backend what is creating? Function. Such a nice example I'm going to cover, sir. Such a nice example. Nice example. You never see this kind of example in anywhere else actually. Get ready to understand. One time we need to call. One time. I will tell you. I will tell you when the exact requirement actually. Go back to the discussion. Let's move on. We'll do one thing. Let me create a function. First, sir, your name. One more time. SUBHAM. Good. Good. Very good. Thank you. We have created a function. Function name is a Shubham. Shubham actually. Good. Hi. Now let me create a one more function. Function name is a Daniel. Function name is what exactly? Daniel. Good. Anyway, first let me call. Wherever function is available, I hope you already know. We just need to call that function actually. Come on, can you tell me if I run this example, what is output actually? Output into Jeptara? Yeah, very good. You already know the output especially. But what is my motto, I don't want to call this function. Let's do one thing. Print off here, just to print name of the function. Just to print what exactly, sir? Name of the function. What is the name of the function? Shubham. Okay. Print of, generally we never write like this actually, but let me show you what exactly happened. Whenever you are running the program, very good. You will get a clear picture. The moment when you are using df keyword, backend what happened, sir? Can somebody tell me? Function created. What created? Chappalandru. What created? Function created. Then the function name is what exactly? Shubham. Shubham actually function name. Can I get a response? Are you getting? Good. Hold on. We'll do one more example. What is the next example? Same thing like that. Let us create one more function. Function name is a Daniel. Function name is what exactly? Daniel. And here I wanted to display hello. But my motto will be, I don't want to call that function. Here also, let me just try to print directly what exactly, sir? Daniel. Are you with me? Just the name of the function. I wanted to confirm. Wow, exactly, man. What is created, sir? Chaptara? Function. Function having a name. What is the name? Shubham. This one is address. Don't ask there is an address. In my computer, so address actually, it was created. There are few students, they will ask, sir, in my computer, that address is not matching actually. Sir, please. Computer to computer, it is a different actual. Getting or not? Good. And what is the function name? Shubham. What is the function name? Daniel. Now what I'm planning, I'm planning to use lambda keyword. Then you will get a clarity actually. If I'm planning to use lambda keyword, here what word you are expecting? Any idea? What word you are expecting? Same thing like what exactly, sir? Function. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let me show you. Let us just try to create, let us just try to use lambda keyword. Let us just try to use what exactly? Lambda keyword. Here, syntax I will explain separately. First of all, understand this one. First, LHS equals to RHS. What is required, sir? LHS equals to RHS. One more time. LHS equals to R. Left hand side, variable name required. Left hand side, what is required? Variable name. Right hand side, lambda keyword is required. What is required? Chappalandaru. Lambda keyword. Now look at only lambda keyword, and here column symbol is required. What is required actually? Column symbol. Wherever column came, go to the next line indentation. No. Except lambda. Except what exactly? Lambda. For lambda, you should not provide indentation actually. Right. For lambda keyword, think like, look at only this column symbol. For this column symbol, LH is required, RH is required. Very good, Daniel. LHS required what exactly? RHS required. Syntactical you can remember like that very easily actually. Daniel, I am planning to write a example by using lambda keyword. Sir, first of all, be strong in the syntax. Be strong in the syntax. I mean to say, first syntax, LHS equals to RHS. Yes, we have written. Now LHS, what is required? Variable. In RHS position, lambda keyword, column symbol is required. Now look at only column. For this column, LHS required. Next one is what is required? RHS required. Think like that. Okay. Anyway, I will cover later again this syntax one more time. Let us move on with the example as of now. Syntax. Yeah, I can talk later actually. Let me write one example very quickly. Here, variables required. What is required actually? Let us take one small variable. Variable name is x. And here, expression x plus 1. Yeah, done. You know what? Successfully, I have created a lambda function. Let us just try to print this. You know what exactly? Variable. If you want here, you can give name of the variable a. Otherwise, you can give name of the variable is result actually. Anything you can give. And here also result actually. Team. In our program, there are 3 functions we have created. Just a matter of single line. Just a matter of what exactly? Single line. Single line. How many functions I have created, Chaptara? 3 functions. First 2 functions I have used what keyword actually? Tim, I don't know what happened to you. Are you guys fine actually today? But I need more active actually. Lunch chesara meeru? Dinaithe chesanu sir. Okay. Come on, I need a response. Let's move on. How many functions we have created? 3 functions. First 2 functions we have created by using df keyword. Third function we have created by using lambda. If you have created a function by using lambda, that is called as a lambda function. What function? Now చూడండి సార్ మీరు ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ చూడండి మీకు మంచి క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. Wow, such a nice explanation actually. No trainer never explain, oh, this one is a lambda function actually. I mean, I'm not boosting myself, but I'm explaining from scratch. I'm explaining from what exactly? Scratch. See, function number 1, Subham. Function number 2, Daniel. Function number 3. First of all, whenever you're using lambda, what is creating actually? Function is creating. What is creating? What is that name of the function? Lambda. Lambda. You know, for that, if you have created function by using lambda keyword, that function name is called as a lambda. There is no specific name actually. Can I get a response? Did you understand? Can we create one more lambda function? You will get a clarity actually. Are you ready? Simple, sir. Copy paste actually. Simple. Copy paste. Change the name of the variable. Here, let me give result 1. Here, let me give. Very good. And here, instead of x, let me provide y. Here, instead of x, let me provide y actually. Now here let us print result 1. You will understand syntax very clearly. Don't worry, I'm here. I will help you. Let us run the example. I need a response from you. Total how many functions? 4 functions. 2 functions by using def. Last 2 functions by using perfect man. You connected actually. Now I'm entering into the actual explanation. Till now are you clear? Madam, are you clear? Let's move on. Conclusion is, we have created 4 functions. Yeah, good sir. 2 functions with df keyword. Chappan sir. Next one. 2 functions with perfect. I hope you understand. Let's move to the discussion, sir. Very good. Very good. Now, actual explanation will start now actually. Regarding the lambda function, actual explanation will start now. Open the material. You can use it on LAMBDA. LAMBDA. That is a spelling actually. So generally we can create a normal function by using df keyword. We can create a normal function by using what exactly? Df keyword. Even in real time we are creating the same thing actually. Lambda is a keyword in Python. Lambda is what exactly, sir? Keyword. Whenever you are learning especially in Python, which one is the keyword, which one is not a keyword? Very, very important, sir. You should recognize actually. You should be good in, recognition. By using lambda keyword, we can create a lambda function. By using lambda keyword, we can create what exactly? Lambda function. Lambda function also having another name. That name is called as a anonymous function. What function? Yeah, that function having another name, something like a Bhasha name actually. So first one, it is called as a lambda function. Instead of calling lambda function, you can still also call as what exactly? Anonymous. What do you mean by anonymous? No name. Chaptarandaru, no name. I mean to say, go back to the output actually. Here, can I ask a question? What is this function name actually? Shubham. Cheppan sir. Shubham. What is this function name? Daniel. Can you tell me what is this function name actually? Sir, no name. That is a lambda function. That is what exactly? Lambda. Even this function name is what exactly? Lambda function. That's what I would like to confirm. If you have created a lambda function, it is also having another name. That name is called as a anonymous function. No name actually. A function without name is called as what exactly, sir? Anonymous function. Lambda function will process the input and returns what exactly? A result. This is the just theory. Now I am entering into the example. Can I continue? Chappandi, can I continue? Now let's move on. Any further questions? I'm happy to help you. Let's delete this. First of all, understand the syntax. LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side, whatever you're writing, that is, equals to what exactly? Right hand side. Left hand side. LHS belongs to RHS. Left hand side, you need to create a variable. Left hand side, you need to create what exactly? Variable. That variable name can be anything. A, B, C, result, anything you can give. And right hand side, get ready. You need to provide lambda keyword. What keyword actually? Chappalandru, what keyword? Syntactically, whenever you are writing a lambda keyword, just you need to provide column symbol. What symbol actually? Column symbol. What symbol, sir? What symbol? Now look at this column symbol. For this column symbol, what is required, sir? LHS required. And what is required, RHS required. Hope you are getting. Good. Let's move on. Move on to the next line. Variable equals to, Daniel, we understand lambda. And what do you mean by LHS value? Here you need to create a variables. Here you need to create what exactly? Variables. I will tell you. Either single variable, again variables we can create actually. And column symbol. Here we need to create expression. We need to create what exactly? Expression with variables. With what exactly, sir? Variables. With variables. And here that variables we have created here, right? With that, you need to create expression actually. I will cover step by step. Please be patient. See, that's what exact syntax it is actually. After lambda keyword, can somebody talk with me? What is required, sir? Variables required. Here, imagine you have created a variable x comma y. With that x comma y, here we need to create an expression. What is an expression? I will tell you. What is an expression? I will tell you. All arithmetic operations you can perform. Please, syntax is important. During interview, first you need to write the syntax actually. The moment when you are writing the syntax, that guy will understand. This guy knows the lambda function. This guy knows what exactly? Lambda function, right? Yeah, let's continue. Syntax. Very simple, sir. Very, very simple. Now I will show you the example. I will show you what exactly? Example. Get ready to understand all these examples actually. Can I make it? This one is as VER and this one also what exactly, sir? VERS actually. So that I can maximize, you can enjoy the syntax very clearly. Come on, sir. Let us create one small variable. Variable name is a add. What is the variable name? Add, addition, result, anything you can do. Lambda of, and here let me take x comma y. Let me take what exactly? X comma y actually. Column symbol. Can I ask you, first let me create it with one variable. I can explain one by one. I have taken one variable. How many variables? One variable. You can take any number of variable. With this variable only, here you need to create an expression. What do you mean by expression? You can use arithmetic operators. What operators, boss? Arithmetic operator. Either you can use expression, you can call a method actually. I will show you. X plus 1. X plus what exactly? 1. I mean to say, team. For this function, there is a one parameter. What exactly? One parameter. That still you can call as a one parameterized function. What function? One parameterized function. Then definitely we need to pass the value. We need to pass what exactly? Value. Now do one thing. Kindly follow these steps very clearly. Result equals to, for this function, we need to pass the value, right? We need to pass what exactly? Value. Take this left hand side position, provide here and provide the parenthesis, provide the value. That is a syntactically we need to provide like that. Let me repeat one more time. For this function, we need to provide the value. Then left hand side take a result equals to, take this name of the variable. and here you can use parenthesis of 10 value. Parenthesis of what exactly? 10 value. Team, what happened, the moment whenever you are writing this example, this x will be taken 10 value, x plus 1. What is the result actually? 11. That 11 it is going to store in a result actually. Come on, let me show you. Flow is seriously awesome. The moment whenever you are, sorry. Hey. Sorry. This value, it will be captured by x. Exactly, Daniel. And where all x is available, this value will become what exactly? 10 value. Now the total 11 result. What result actually? 11 result. This total 11 result, it is going to storing in where exactly? No, result variable. Now what we need to print actually? Can somebody tell me? Result we need to print. What we need to print, sir? Result we need to print. Come on, children. Let us just try to print what exactly? Result. I will tell you where we are using. Please understand the syntax very clearly. All right. What happened, sir? LEM. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Extremely sorry. Let us run this one. Shouldn't make you will get an output here actually. Yeah, exactly. One parameter. So the value what you are passing, it is taking. And 10 plus 1. What is the result actually, sir? 11. Good one thing. Can you help me? Can I create a 2 parameters function? What function, sir? 2 parameters function. I need your help, man. I need your help actually. Cheppandi. Add equals to lambda of 2 parameters I'm planning. How many parameter? 2 parameters. Chapter x comma y. Then column symbol. X plus y. Simple. Next step, I need your help actually. Result equals to, cheppandi, add of how many values? 10 comma 20. 10 comma 2 comma 4, anything you can give. Now let us just try to print what exactly, sir? Result. And let me ask a question. What is x value? Cheppandi. 10. Y value? 20. 10 plus 20, what is the result? 30 it is going to store inside of this variable. Then we can print actually. I'm sure you got a nice clarity actually. Very nice. This is called as an expression. This is called as what exactly? Expression. Daniel, can I take 3 parameters? Sir, up to you. Any parameters you can take actually. Nothing is wrong. 1 minute, 1 minute. I would like to say we have created lambda function with one value actually. The second one is what exactly, sir? Lambda function with 2 values. Lambda function with what exactly, sir? 2 value. Hold on. Sir, now tell me, what is your question? Good question. So backend, just now even we have prepared actually. This one you can call as a variable. This one you can call as what exactly? Variable. But wherever you are using lambda, this variable we need to use to pass the value. This variable, which I know, whenever you are looking at this kind of syntax actually, we can think like that is a function. That is what exactly? But when it comes to lambda, definitely we need to use that variable, something like a support actually, to pass the value. Ultimately, we need to pass the value. How we can pass actually? Just we need to use this name of the variable. Getting right? Nice question, sir. And I need your help actually. Can we create a 3 variable? Are you ready? Cheppandi. Yeah, good. Now add equals to cheppandi lambda of cheppandi x comma y comma z column and x plus y plus. Now result equals to add of. Can somebody tell me? 10, 20, 30. Good, you will get a nice clarity. Team, not only expression. Let me show you another example. Let me show you another example. You will get an idea actually. You will get what exactly? Idea. Come on, listen carefully. Nice example. I am planning to take kind of some name of the variable a. Let me take a so that you can understand. Not only add actually lambda of, and here I am planning to take a variable x and x dot upper. X dot what exactly? Upper. I hope you know. Though it is the upper, whenever you are calling the value, what value you need to pass? Any idea? Very good. You catch my point actually. Good. Get ready. Then result equals to what parameter I need to use here actually, Chaptara? A of parenthesis. Let me provide here Daniel. Let me provide here what exactly? Daniel. Now in this case, what happened, sir? What happened, This X will be captured by, Daniel will be captured by X. Daniel dot upper, you will get a uppercase letter. You will get what letter actually? Uppercase letter. So this is something like just one time purpose only. During, oh, something went wrong, where it went wrong, LAM, BDA. I don't know, this spelling I'm always writing wrong. You will get an idea. You will get what exactly, sir? Idea. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Let's take this example. Move on to the discussion. There is a one question from online team. Hold on. Let me check what is that question actually. My explanation is not at over regarding the lambda. Move on, sir. Sir, we can call this add any number of times, right? And you said lambda is only one time function actually. Sir, especially when you're talking about the lambda, by using this one, we can apply only specific operation especially. Not for regular operation, not for what exactly regular operation. That's what just for your better understanding I have written here. Yes, of course you can call second time, third time actually, but in real time whenever you have created this kind of function, only one time we need to call actually. Especially we are using lambda to using for specific operation. Can I show the material actually? You will get an idea. Especially I'm going to cover during project, you will get an idea. Go back to the Daniel. Valid question Nageswara sir. Open the material, your batch material, data science, data analysis project, EDA project. You can click on here. Come on, listen carefully, everyone. There is a project we are going to cover, and here you can search for lambda. Yeah, here I'm going to cover. This one is a real-time scenario. Can somebody tell me what is the keyword name? What is that? Lambda. I will cover here real-time scenario, but today understand how to use, how to call actually. Suddenly you cannot digest if I explain this code actually. Can I continue? Yeah. Nageswara sir, I request you, can I explain your question later so that you will get an idea? I'm just asking permission so that you can understand. Here we'll discuss. All right, cool. Let's move on. We have a nice project discussion. Where are we? Go back to the session. Yeah, Daniel, anonymous function, demo 16, s equals to, sir, why red color? Nice. You guys need to understand. A column and A star. See, for your better understanding, I have given long space actually. For your better understanding, I have given long space, but in real time, just only one space is fine actually. You have to use that one. Okay. Take this one. These 2 points, let us make it here actually. All right. Siddiq sir, I'm sorry. Let me catch your question again actually. We are in the flow. Good. Here we are using name of the variable and expression. I hope you know S of 4 we need to pass actually. Now here because of lambda keyword, it creates what exactly? Anonymous. I will tell you. Even just in another 5 minutes where exactly they are using, I will tell you. A simple difference between normal function and lambda function. See, I'm sure by this time you already know this kind of example. A function having parameter and function having return keyword. Function having what exactly? Return keyword. Follow the rules. There are mainly 3 rules. If you have created a function, call the function. Okay. If a function having parameter, we need to pass the value. That's fine. Rule number 3. If a function having return statement, function calling we need to assign into. That's it. You should understand like that actually. Whenever you are looking at this code, you have to understand only 3 rules. Rule number 1. If you have created a function, you need to call the function. Rule number 2. If a function having parameter, we need to pass the value. Rule number 3. If a function having return, see, slowly you can understand actually. These are all by practice, sir. I'm repeating again. You can understand by practice only. By what exactly? Can I tell one small pro tip actually? Hold on. Pro tip. It might be helpful for you. To become programmer. To become what exactly, man? Programmer or developer, coder, anything you can say. Anything you can say. Developer or anything you can say. First point. Practice is very, very important actually. What is important, sir? Practice is very important, especially regular practice. What practice, man? Before practice, sir, lap time is mandatory. What is mandatory? laptop. I'm sorry, just attending our session, attending our session, you can gain the knowledge actually. But you know, if you really wanted to expertise in the subject, actually, practice helps you. What helps you actually? And if anyone don't have a laptop, actually, I'm sorry, you should have a laptop. I'm not saying like, you know, go for high-end laptop. Minimum, don't go for 50,000, 60,000 laptop. You know, go for some 20K, 25K. That is important. If anyone don't have a laptop, that's fine. Second point will be, let me tell you, even these I used to follow actually. There are only 3 points actually. If you really wanted to become programmer, if you understand the concept clearly, Chapan sir, if you understand the concept clearly, the second step I can tell, sir, do the childhood practice. I always like childhood practice, sir. Let me tell you what, Daniel, what do you mean by that? Childhood practice actually. The moment when I joined LKG, UKG, I hope you know, so preschool actually. Can you tell me what teacher explained what exactly initially? Alphabets. You know what, on an average, alphabets, how many months I prepared, you know, 3 months. Not only me, you also actually. Minimum 2 to 3 months. Always they will tell ABC, ABC, ABC. Trust me, that is the best practice actually. You have to prepare at certain level. Next time onwards, practice is not at all required actually. If anyone is asking, tell me the ABCD, do I need to prepare actually? No. Why? Because that practice is already over. We already reached at saturation point actually. Practice is not required. You should know what level you have to reach actually. Conclusion of the story, daily practice is required, and at the same time, what is required, you know, sir? Revision also matter. What matters actually? I'm sorry. If anyone is already doing practice actually, I'm talking every time practice. Why? Because, you know, other guys may are not doing actually. Important. What is the second one, sir? Childhood practice. That is very, very important. Especially this practice, if you understand the concept, this might be fun for you. If you understand the concept, write without saying. Chappan sir, write without. It might be fun. You may think like, hey, are you serious, Daniel? Sir, I am serious. You can't believe. I do have in my home, I do have some separate study room actually. Lot of papers actually, white papers. Uh, Frankly speaking, I'm a mathematician. I like maths very well. I used to derive the formulas and I used to write. Sir, handwriting is seriously very good. Whenever you are writing, it will be connect with your brain actually. That is seriously very good. If you understand the concept, close the material. Nothing is wrong. Close the material. You can just try to take some rough notes actually. Try to write actually. Best practice. Can I tell the last one actually, sir? Can I tell the last one? What is the last one, you know? Explain the topic to somebody. Explain what exactly? Topics to someone. Topics to what exactly? Someone actually. Either your friend, your brother, or your sister. And you can just try to explain. If you really follow these 3 steps very clearly, Chappan, what is the first one? Practice and revision. Next one, write without saying. Second one will be, third one, explain the concept. You can apply a job. That job name is called as a, if you're really very serious about these 3 points, you can apply the job. The job name is called as a trainer job actually. What job, sir? Trainer job. Yeah, you can apply actually. You're eligible. I'm sorry, am I doing overaction? This is the real time facts. Do the practice daily and try to write without saying actually. I know it might be fun for you writing actually, but that is really important. Even I used to follow. I like that one. The third one will be explain the topics. Either you can choose any one of your friend, you can explain actually. If no one is there, explain yourself actually. Let's move to the discussion. Can I continue? It might be helpful for you. I'm sorry. Where are we? Just now I have explained, we can create a function. We already know this one. The same thing we can still implement by using lambda function. We can still, here we are taking add function, x comma y, and return x plus y. Function having return statement, assigning into variable, blah, blah, blah. Many times I covered this point actually. Now the same functionality still we can implement by using lambda function. We can implement by using what exactly? But let me tell you, when lambda will involve, at only one type of operation. What operation? One type. Even in our real life, there are some operations, let me tell you. When you're talking about the water bottle, we are refilling. We are reusing this one actually. And whenever you are traveling over the train, the ticket, it is helping only one time actually. Am I right or not, sir? So there are some activities in our career, one time usage only. Let us take a bus ticket or else a train ticket. Don't tell like, sir, I have a metro pass actually. Please. Are you with me or not, sir? So sometimes you are traveling over the train. The ticket is valid only one-time journey. That's what you need to understand. Even in real-time projects also same thing like that. There is a certain operation I wanted to perform only one time. I don't want to call again actually. Go for lambda function. Go for what function actually? Lambda function. We'll see. Step by step we'll see. I'm sure we already know this example. Lambda function internally returns expression value and no need to write what exactly return statement. I know whenever you are looking at this keyword, you can think like this is the normal function having return. Lambda keyword backend already having the return. Explicitly, we no need to write a return actually. Okay. This one is important. What is this one? You know, let me drink water, please. Online team, you are following, I guess. Can I get a response, please? A kind update actual. Kind update. Tomorrow, no session. We'll meet again. Do you think Sunday? I never take session on Sunday, sir. Tomorrow, no session. I know it is not second Saturday. You guys are asking like tomorrow is second Saturday. No. Yeah, no doubt. I can update, sir. I can update that one also. During Fridays, I can update actually. Okay. Yeah, fine. Let's continue. Oh, room is chilled actually. Good. Good. Let's continue. Where lambda function fits exactly. When you're talking about, let me tell you, there are some predefined function. There are some what exactly, sir? Predefined function. Predefined functions. Especially these functions are using lambda in the backend. These functions are using what exactly, sir? Lambda in the backend. What are all those functions? You know, first one is called as a map. What is the first one? First one is a map. Takes two parameters. Important. Maybe I'm going to cover. Next one will be after map. The next function is a filter function. What function? Filter. Again, two parameters actually. The third function name is called as a reduce. What is the third function name, sir? Reduce actually. And especially P1 comma P2. Here also two parameters. Here also how many parameter? Two parameter. If anyone is coming from big data background, I do have a big data background especially. Hadoop especially. They are using map and reduce. They are using what exactly? Map and reduce. If anyone don't know big data, don't worry. Let me cover step by step actually. Can I continue or not, sir? Let me tell you. Can somebody tell me what are all those three functions actually? First one, map, filter, reduce. Sir, one more time. Map, filter, reduce. Last time. Good. First one, let me continue. Map function. Let me explain about the requirement. Let me explain about what exactly requirement actual requirement. Understand what kind of requirement we are taking. So think like these are all item prices. These are all what exactly? Item prices. So suddenly I would like to say, prices actually. Prices. Imagine 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees and 400 rupees. Imagine there is a shop and in that shop there is a items automatically. Suddenly at midnight, what exactly, sir? Midnight and 12 a.m. exactly. I hope you know our Modi ji. He will announce by our Behano, we are planning to add what exactly? GST. We are planning to add what exactly, man? GST. So for every item, they are telling like, add 2 rupees actually. Add what exactly, man? No matter what is the price. If you want, you can apply some percentage operation also, that we can talk later. Now, can you tell me what is the final result actually after applying the GST? 100 will become? Chappan sir, 102. Very good. Next one, 202. Next one, 302. Next one, 402. Yeah. Think like there are group of values. There are what exactly? Group of value. My requirement will be, I wanted to extract one by one value. First of all, I wanted to take this value. I would like to perform some operation. I need a new result. Let us take second value. Perform some operation. I need a new result actually. We can what exactly, sir? Achieve this result. This by using lambda function. By using what function actually? Lambda function. This is seriously very much fun actually. Especially map function, map function, I mean to say. Let me show you how to implement. You will get an idea. Understand the requirement very clearly. Go back here. Chudani. Let me take prices. Let me take what exactly, sir? Prices. 100, 200, 300, 400. Very good. We have taken. Next one will be, now we need to call a map function. What function? Chappalandaru. M equals to map. By looking at that function, you need to think automatically. Map is a predefined function. Backend it is having return statement. That's what we are assigning into variable. Am I right or not, sir? It is taking two parameters. How many parameters actually? Chappalandaru. Two parameters. Tim. Second parameter, always existing sequence variable. Second parameter, always existing what exactly? Sequence variable. Understand the syntax. Let me repeat one more time. Here is syntax matter, man. Learning Python, syntax matter. Focus. M equals to map of. M equals to what exactly? Map of P1 comma P2. P2 should be always existing sequence variable. All right, Daniel, we understand. P1 is a lambda function. P1 is what exactly? Lambda function. Right, good. Lambda of, yeah, good. I hope you already know column symbol. And here one variable is required actually. What is required, sir? One variable. Let me take the variable name as a price. What is the variable name? Price. And can somebody tell me, according to that operation here, what I need to apply? Excellent, sir. You guys understand actually. Simple. Take a variable and take that variable and perform here small operation actually. Your output is done, sir. Now let me just try to print what exactly, what I need to print, sir, chaptara? Prices. First let me print prices. Then let me print what exactly? M. Important interview question here. Important interview question. Your logic 99% it is valid actually. 99%. But 1% there is a one small change you need to apply. There is a 1% you need to apply small change actually. What is that change, Listen carefully. Map function returns map object. చెప్తారందరూ map function returns map object. One more time. Map function returns map object. Do you want to see the result actually? Yes, see. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు wow. Exactly, sir. I am calling the map function. Map function is giving what result actually? Map object. Map object. Indirectly, inside this map object, result would you have actually. If you are saying, hey client, instead of this one result is available, client will say, don't play the joke actually, show me the result. Show me what exactly? Result. Are you with me? Good. Now, to get the result, what we need to do, convert this one into list to data structure. Convert this one into what exactly? List to data structure. Now the result is converted into list, you can enjoy the result. You can enjoy what exactly? Result actually. I'm sure you understand clearly. Otherwise, I can explain one more time. I will explain step by step actually. Please, let me ask you one simple question, man. Let me ask you one simple question. In the given program, how many functions would you have? Any functions would you have? Seriously? Come on, take some time. Madam, Chapali. So, very good. How many functions? 4 functions. How many? 4. First one, map. Second one, very good. Third one, print. Last one, exactly. 3 normal functions, 1 lambda function. One what exactly? During interview, they will ask like this actually. Let me know in the given code how many functions would you have. Then we can think 1, 2, 3. Boss, it is 3 actually. Then that guy will tell, sir, it is a 4th function. Why? Because wherever you are applying lambda actually, here one function it will be created automatically in the backend. That function name is called as a lambda function. What function? Are you getting me? Can I get a response? Let's take this one. Here I will make a note actually. I can separate the code. Sir, 1 minute. Let me finish the theory. Just 1 minute, please. Spare some time. Let me delete the list first actually. I wanted to write one point here. Map function returns map object. Map object. Map object we are converting into చెప్పండి list to data structure. That's it. So that we can enjoy the result. I mean to say, list is capable to display the value. Map is not capable. Map, something like a range. Think like a range actually. We need to iterate. We need to convert actually. We need to convert into what exactly? List expression. Chapter sir, what is your question? Yeah, correct. M అనేది exactly. You're right. You're right. I got your question. But we can say during oops actually. Nice point. I can cover later actually. Are you with me? Nice, nice. Very good, sir. Lambda is a keyword. By using that, we can create a function. Can I give one small clarity actually? Hold on, hold on. In a Python programming language, there are two keywords. First keyword name is a def and second keyword name is a lambda. By using def keyword, we can create normal function. What function? Normal function. Normal function. Okay, cool, Daniel. And by using lambda keyword, by using what keyword actually? Lambda keyword, we can even create lambda function. Hope you understand actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can I get a response? Yeah, good. Lambda is a keyword. By using that, we can create a lambda function actually. Sir, I hope you understand. Can I continue? All right. So where are we? Currently, I'm running with the map function. I'm sure you understand this example. We already have added here also. And let me ask one more requirement. One more requirement actually. Come and look at my screen. Names equals to few guys are talking each other. I request you, please be silent. Few guys are talking each other. Please be silent actually. I never point anyone, but don't take advantage actually. First one is a Rani, the next one is a Raju. Now I'm expecting output will be convert all names into uppercase letter. Convert all names into uppercase. What case, sir? Uppercase. Chapani final the result will be, what is the result you are expecting actually? Chaptara Daniel. The next one is a Rajesh. Very good. And the next one is a Rani. The next one is a Raju. I hope you will help me actually. Are you ready? Can you help me? Help chesara meeru? Let us implement the code actually. Chappan sir. Here m equals to map of how many parameters? 2. P1 comma P2. P2 always existing sequence variable. What is that one? Names. Very nice. Very nice actually. Then here you have to write lambda function. Lambda of take column symbol, and here you need to take a variable. To take that variable, just try to use one variable name here actually. Name. What I need to write here actually. Can somebody tell me? Very good, boss. Name dot what exactly? Upper. That's it. Coding is very easy, sir. Follow the fundamentals. Coding is very easy actually. Now, can I ask you one question? Can I print here M directly actually? No. If you are printing M, what is the output you are going to get? M object. I'm sorry. Map object. What object? Chudandi ikkada. You will get an idea. Pin to pin. I'm explaining. Point to point. But who need this information, sir? I don't want to print this information. I wanted to print result. Then convert into list. Why list? Once we entered into the list data structure, you can understand that cinema actually. That is again separate story. Separate story. Good. You are getting a clear picture. Sir, can I continue? Yeah, madam, you are getting, I guess, actually. Okay. Take this one. Successfully you understand about, map function. Now the next one will be filter function. What functions are? Filter function. Get ready to understand. This is seriously very good. Let me drink water. Daniel, I do have a data. I do have what exactly? Data. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do have some 10 value. I just wanted to filter the data. I just wanted to filter what exactly? Filter the data. 1 minute. There is one online question. Let me look into that. What would be happen if you directly apply upper to the list actually? Very good question. We'll get attribute error, sir. Okay, there are two questions. Let me, sir, previous question just now I have seen. Please don't mind. Before 5 minutes, we asked one question. First of all, let me clarify these two questions so that we can continue. There are two questions from online. It's my responsible, I'm sure. Let me help actually. Good. So let me hold this topic. We'll cover. First question. I don't get how Lambda is updating the map in the backend actually. Simple, man. whenever you are calling the map, actually, what happened, especially, first of all, it is applying for loop in the bracket, and it is getting one by one value, getting what exactly, sir? One by one value, and apply the operation, return the result. Return result actually. Exactly it is happening. That is your first question. And if you want, I will show you practically also. Just in another 1 minute, I will show you. Second question. What would happen if you directly apply upper to the list actually? Imagine names equals to something like this. Sir, good question. Names equals to what exactly? Daniel. The next one will be Chapan sir. Raju. The next one will be Rani. Sir, you know what? We should not apply directly upper. If you are applying upper here, you will get an error. Error name is a attribute error. What error actually? Attribute error. Attribute error. Why? Because upper is a method. It is available inside string actually, but not list. But not what exactly? List. Can I prove practically? You will get an idea. But nice question. See, we are directly applying. You will get an error. Error name is a attribute error. What error actually? Attribute error. Sir, I hope you understand. Siddiq sir. You got it, I guess. No response. No response indicates you understand clearly. Good. All right. Fine. Go back. This one, let me prove practically. This one. Do you want to see this one practically? Take the same example. Did you remember there is a one website I told? What is that website name? Gurtunda meeku? Nice, man. Python tutor. Here you can apply. This is really such a beautiful website. Come on, please. Yeah, we need to click on Java, right? Click on this. Take your total code. Now come on, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Click on visualize execution. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a matter of 4 lines, but back end 16 times execution you are going to see actually. First list is created. What is created, man? List is created. Such a nice. Now here onward cinema actually. Click on next, and what functions created, sir? M instance, map instance created actually. Now hold on. Automatically it is started performing, the point will be back to the session. Lambda function. First to taking a value, it is backend, it is applying the operation. First to what is the value? Daniel it has taken, and it is already, as I told you, go back, and here is the points actually. What is the points? First of all, it is applying the for loop in the backend, getting one by one value. What value? One by one value. Apply operation, return the result. Now the Daniel, capital Daniel, name Daniel and capital Daniel. The next one will be Rajesh, and what is the next result, sir? Capital Rajesh. The next one will be like this actually. Rani, capital Rani. Finally, you will get as a result. You will get what exactly? Result actually. So the beauty here it will be, if you really wanted to apply for loop manually, it takes minimum 2 to 3 lines actually. But in a single line, we are optimizing the code and we are getting the result. That's the beauty actually. Siddiq sir, I request you, maybe this link may be helpful for you. All right, sir. All right. Let's move on. Can I add here? This link might helps. May helps to understand clearly. Okay. Cool. Let's move on. Where are we? Currently, we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as what exactly? Filter function. What function? Filter function. Let's move on. Online team, I hope you're following, sir. Can I get a response from anybody? Good. Team, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow, do we have a session? By habituate, don't come actually. Are you with me? Yeah. Alavatlu vachedi actually. And even I will update in a Google Classroom also. Who are all didn't came today's session, unfortunately they may come, right? I need to update in a Google Classroom also. Back to the session. There is a function name is called as a filter. There is a function name is called as what exactly? Filter. By using this function, we can filter the data. Daniel, what do you mean by that? We can filter the data, especially to filter the data, we need a condition. To filter the data, we need what exactly, sir? We need condition actually. All right. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Less than 5. Imagine, we are iterating every value less than what exactly, sir? 5. 5 actually. Then can you tell me what is the final result actually? Final result em vastundo cheptara evarana? 1 2 3 4. Do you think 5? No, no actually. And here let me take one more value is the 0. Then what is the result actually? That's what actually it can touch every value. Don't think like here it will stop actually. No, it will touch every value actually. Every value back end, if the condition result is a true, then it returns, otherwise the false actually. Let me execute this example. Go back, take the same data. Sorry man. Yeah, f equals to filter function p1 comma, there are two parameters p2 actually. Now let us just try to print f. Yeah, printing we can do later. Team p2 always existing sequence variable. What is the sequence variable here actually? Data. Very good, data actually. Now p1 should be lambda function. P1 should be what function? Lambda function. Yeah, lambda. And here take a one variable name is a value. What is the variable name, sir? Val or value, anything you can take. Yeah, value also you can take. Now can somebody tell me here what I need to write actually? Condition. What we need to write? Condition. What is that condition? Value less than 5. This type of condition we covered in a 1995 especially. There is a topic, the topic name is called as a operators. What is the topic name? In relational operator, I explained how to create a condition. If you really understand that day how to create a condition, today you can understand very clearly. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Move on to the next one. Sir, again surprise actually. What is the surprise? Map function returns map object. Come on, one more time. Map function returns map object. Here also same story. Filter function returns filter object. Filter function returns what object actually? Filter object. Come on, let me show you. You will get an idea. Oh my God. Filter object, it is returning. Yeah, good. Now what you can do, I don't want this filter object, sir. I need what exactly? A result actually. Then convert into list data structure. Convert into what exactly? List to data structure. Such a nice. I hope you got a clear picture. Are you with me or not, sir? Very good. More to the discussion. Daniel, can I apply greater than symbol? Sir, whatever if you want, you can apply two conditions also. How many conditions? Two conditions, no limitation here actually. One minute. You mean to say here, can I convert into tuple actually? This one? Yeah, you can take, sir. It can be tuple, no matter what actually. You can apply. If you want, you can convert into tuple data structure. It doesn't matter, sir, actually. It can be list, it can be tuple, otherwise it can be list, it can be tuple, list, anything is fine. Anything is fine actually. Good question. Team, here if you want, you can take lambda also, no matter what, but valid question. If you want, let me run this example. Here let me take a -2 actually. Then you should get result will be at last -2 also, no doubt in that actually. Sorry, here I have applied what exactly? Greater than. Now let us just try to apply the logic actually, get an idea. Are you getting? Good. Online team, just to please be patient, sir. I'm looking into your question. Let me just try to make a note here. Actually, you'll get an idea. First one, so filter function. What function, sir? Filter function with condition. Here also filter function. Filter function. All right. Team, here you can apply greater than symbol also. What symbol actually? Greater than. You can apply, that is possible actually. Then what are all values are belongs to greater than? It is going to print actually. Please make a note on this one. Go back. Somebody is asking a question over online. Let me look into that. Okay, Siddiq sir actually. Sir, does this create backend if and else condition actually? No, sir. No, it will not create. Just it is filtering actually. The next one, Siddiq. In what situation we do use lambda variable expression actually, like a jet structure? Siddiq sir, that's what I told. Can I cover this point during project actually? I need real-time scenario. As of now, we are explaining with, normal scenario. But if you really wanted to understand, real-time scenario really required actually, we can see. We can see. Prior to this one, Rishi, sir, slightly we can say. If, that is okay. I will accept actually. Slightly. It is back and it is applying if actually. Go back to the session. We already even done with the filter function actually. What function, sir? Filter function. Now the last function, come on. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Why? Because, whenever you're talking about the filter, here we should not apply geometric operations. Here you need to apply kind of some Boolean value condition. Whenever you're using filter, here this value should be Boolean value. Should be actually. Okay. Yeah. All right. Tim, can I have a small recap actually? Can somebody tell me what is the first function we covered? Map function. Second one, filter function. What function? Say filter function. Third one, reduce function. Let me tell you, for reduce function, there is an alternative actually. First of all, let me cover that. That alternative function name is called as a sum function. What function? Chappalandaru. What sum function is doing, still reduce will do actually. Still reduce will do. But especially why reduce came again? If you are coming from big data background, you will understand. But anyway, let me skip that discussion. I can cover later in some point of time. Imagine this one is a Monday business. Monday, $100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Then end of the day, the owner is asking, I wanted to know the total Monday sales actually. Then let us just try to print the total Monday result. And I just wanted to print the total sum. How we can print, any idea? We need to call a function. Function name is a sum. Chappan sir, sum. Sum is a predefined function. And it can sum up all the values and it will give as a result actually. Did you understand? Same result we can still get by using reduce. By using what exactly, man? Reduce actually. Let me show you that one. Let me tell you one more suggestion. One more what exactly? Suggestion. The suggestion will be to everyone. See, I never in my total teaching career, I never point anyone actually. Sir, you're not listening. This suggestion is for you. I can conclude everyone is same. Everyone is what exactly, sir? Same actually. Now let me give a suggestion. The suggestion will be, many people can think like, whenever you are learning about the programming language, Python is a programming language. Python is what exactly? Programming language. So let me talk about the coin. Sir, coin can contain two sides actually. Coin can contain how many sides? Two sides. The first one is a head part. Next one is a tail part. Same thing like that. With my whole experience I am talking. Take any programming language. There are two sides. First one, syntax actually. What is the first one? Syntax. The next one is a logical thinking. What is the next one? Logical thinking actually. Logical thinking. Logical thinking. You guys are thinking like syntax 50%, logical thinking. No. Syntax 90%, you need to focus. Logical thinking just a matter of 10% actually. Trust me this. Logic same in any programming language. Plus operator works like a plus only. Either in a Java, C, C++, these are all things. But what varies, programming language to programming language, what is the change, sir? Chapter? Syntax. My conclusion of the story, be strong in the syntax. Be strong in what exactly? What do you mean by syntax, Daniel? How to create a variable, how to create a function, how to create a lambda function. Learning these are all called as a syntax. Learning these are all called as what exactly? If you will be expert in syntax, trust me, logical thinking, it will come automatically. Logical thinking, it will come. I mean, sir, this is with my whole experience I'm talking actually. But many people, many students, what they will do, they will do the mistakes. They will focus more on here actually. They can give up. They can give up actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can I get a response? Yeah, please understand, right? Okay, cool. Let me continue in another 5 minutes actually. Can I continue? 5 minutes I will continue. Currently what we are running actually. So reduce function. What function, sir? Reduce function. Let me ask you one question. Anyone is here working employee? Even online team? You can raise your hand. Okay, one sir. Offline, one person actually. And all you guys are learning the course for job seekers, right? Yeah, good, very good. I can appreciate. Any online people? Anyone is working here actually? Working people. Piyush, Santi ma'am. Okay, good. Nageswarrao too working. Good. All right. I know one small point actually. Why I asked, sometimes when I'm giving a suggestion, who are all working, you may feel boring actually. Why Daniel is talking like this? You may feel boring and you may think like, please continue this topic actually. But let me tell you, let me consider fresher guys also. Fresher in the sense, who recently passed out and you need to enter into the industry actually. Am I right or not, sir? I'm talking from my experience. Please don't feel bored who are all working. I know you never feel bored actually. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the discussion. I'm sorry if I made you bore actually, I'm sorry. Let's continue. The topic will be reduce function. What function? Reduce function. Kindly please walk through. Imagine I do have a Monday prices exactly. Yeah, Monday prices will be 100. Next one is a 200. Next one is a 300. Next one is what exactly? 400. Now I wanted to make it some kind of some sum. That I needed some result actually. Then same logic, sir. REDUSE. Reduce equals to what exactly? Here what we need to provide, sir? Can somebody tell me? Monday. I mean, it takes two parameters. P1 comma what exactly, sir? P2. How many parameters? 2 P2. Then this one should be always existing sequence variable. All right, Daniel actually. All right. Then this one should be lambda of team. This point is important. Please focus on this one. Here to do the sum, we need two variables. We need how many variables? With single variable, you cannot apply sum actually. Then here you need to declare, you need to create two variables. What are those variables? X comma y. How many variables? X comma y. Then here you need to apply an operation. Operation will be x plus y. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. If you want how it is executing in the backend, use Python tutor. Literally, you can feel awesome actually. How x value is varying, how x plus y is varying. You can seriously feel awesome actually. Are you with me or not, sir? What happened here, First to x value, 100 it will come actually. Y value, 200. Then what is the total result actually? 300. Chappan, sir. That 300 it will be stored in the x. Then now y value 300 actually. 300 plus 300. What is the result? Chappan, sir. That 600 it will be stored in the x. Then 600 plus 400. What is the result actually? Then it will close the discussion. It can share. It can swap the values actually. But not much important. You should understand this one. Can I get a response from you? Good. One small important interview question here actually. One small important interview question. That interview question will be, the point will be, what is the point, Team, map function, by default it is available. Filter function, by default it is available. But reduce function, by default it is not available. You should not call directly like that. Like a map and filter, how you call actually. If you are calling reduce function directly like this, get ready, you will get an error. That error name is a name error. What error? Chappalandaru. One more time. Let me show you that error. You will get an idea. Exactly. You are getting what error actually? Name error. Indirectly, Python is telling, hey Daniel, I don't know reduce. I know map very well. I know filter very well. Where is the reduce actually? Now, conclusion of the story. Reduce is a predefined function. It is available in separate module. It is available in separate what exactly? That's why my next topic is a module. I mean, my chapters having the connections actually. That's why the next topic is what exactly? Module. If you really wanted to import that one from functools and import reduce. Import what exactly mean? Reduce. If you didn't understand this line, that is okay. On Monday we are going to see. Now your example will work, man. Perfectly your example will work actually. Very good. Hope you understand very clearly. Did you understand or not, sir? All right. Daniel, but I don't know what is a from and import actually. That is a upcoming topic. On Monday, I'm going to cover actually. Can I get a response? The same example I will cover one more time during Monday actually. Reduce function. No, sir. Redux is not from the core Java actually. If you want, I will give a small suggestion, sir. Reduce is, is a function. It is available even in Python. And if you want, you can kindly please walk through. Even it is available in Hadoop. Especially there is a Java package actually. Just try to do small R&D, work around, you will get an idea. Kind information. I do have a sound experience in Java, sir. Oh, then all right. So simple. So in Python, we do have a different modules actually. Then different modules. Those are all modules we'll see on Monday. We will see on what exactly, sir? We'll see on Monday actually. You'll get an idea. All right, So I will give again recap on Monday. Then I will continue the session. Don't miss Monday session, sir. Especially I'm requesting, don't miss the Monday session actually. Okay. Tomorrow we don't have any session. We done for today's session actually. All right. So let me upload the material as usual. Material I already uploaded. I hope I need to upload the running notes actually. Thank you. Thank you for being patient, everyone. Anything is pending from my side? Part number 2 here itself, I'm updating this. Let us edit and you can just try to upload and you can just try to browse this and you can just try to come here. Python. Hold on. Daniel. Yeah. Perfect. We're done for today's session. Thank you. Ma'am. Yeah, I remembered actually.